Hello, welcome to Easy English Steps. Today, we'll learn English with a story about Donald Trump, the 47th President of the United States. His life had many challenges, but he never gave up. Listen to the story, practice new phrases, and improve your English. Let's start. Donald Trump was born in 1946 in New York. His father, Fred, built houses, and his mother, Mary, took care of the family. As a boy, Donald was full of energy but sometimes got into trouble. His parents sent him to a military school to learn discipline. There, he worked hard and became a leader. After school, Donald studied at a big university called Wharton. He wanted to be like his father and build tall buildings. He joined the family business, called it the Trump Organization, and made hotels, casinos, and golf courses. His name became famous in New York. But life wasn't easy. In the 1990s, his business lost money. Some projects failed and he faced big debts. People said he would never succeed again. But Donald kept trying. He wrote a book, The Art of the Deal, and starred in a TV show, The Apprentice. His hard work made him a star. In 2015, Donald decided to enter politics. He had no experience, and many people laughed. They said, "A TV star can't be president." He faced big challenges. Other politicians attacked him, and some called his ideas wrong. But Donald spoke directly to people with his slogan, "Make America Great Again." In 2016, he won the election and became the 45th president. It was a huge victory. Being president was tough. He made new laws, but many disagreed with him. He faced 2 impeachments, which means people tried to remove him from office. He also faced legal battles, including a case about money in 2024, where he was called guilty but got no punishment. Some people loved him, others did not. In 2020, he lost the election to Joe Biden and left the White House. Many thought his story was over, but Donald didn't stop. In 2024, at age 78, he ran for president again. He faced 2 scary assassination attempts and more legal fights. Still, he won the election against Kamala Harris, becoming the 47th president. He's now the oldest president ever, and only the second to serve 2 separate terms. Today, he's making new rules, like tariffs on other countries, and pardoning people from a 2021 event at the Capitol. His life shows that even big hurdles can't stop a determined heart. Let's practice phrases from the story. Repeat after me. Work hard. Example, Donald worked hard at school. Use it to talk about effort. Face challenges. Example, he faced challenges in business. Use it to describe problems. Never give up. Example, Donald never gave up on his dreams. Use it to show determination. Try this. Make sentences with these phrases. For example, I work hard in school. She faced challenges at work. They never give up on their goals. That's today's lesson on Easy English Steps. Donald Trump's story teaches us to keep trying, no matter the hurdles. Practice these phrases and share your sentences in the comments. Subscribe for more stories, and see you next time.